Are you looking for the best screwdriver set in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best screwdriver set that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Craftsman 931794 slotted Phillips screwdriver set. If you ever want to get serious with your home toolkit, you might want to consider the Craftsman screwdriver set. It features professional quality Phillips and slotted screwdrivers, and it does an excellent job whenever you want to tighten or loosen a screw. It is a 17-piece set including enough sizes that will be able to accommodate multiple standard jobs. It is also durable, with its butyrate handles that are specifically designed for increased strength. While it can obviously take a beating, you will also never have a difficult time balancing it in your hand. It is interesting to know that these screwdriver blades are heat-treated, and the slotted blade tips offer all its users perfect screw holding. In addition, the Phillips blade tips provide tight tolerance. Up next in the 4th place is the Klein Tools 85074 Screwdriver Set. After the first glance at this set of screwdrivers that has 17 pieces, the idea of another set having just 6 pieces might sound underwhelming. The Klein Tools 85074 Screwdriver Set might only have 6 pieces, but don't let the small number discourage you, as these 6 are a selection of the most used screwdrivers. With over 100 years of experience in the tool-making business, Klein is more than just a company. They are a legacy, American-owned and family-run. Their pursuit of excellence has seen them craft a somewhat iconic screwdriver set. Evenly split with 3 slotted and 3 Phillips screwdrivers, Klein Tools can handle most jobs thrown at it. The cushion grip handle is a fantastic feature that keeps the device in your hands, no matter how wet, sweaty, or oily your hand is, and it comes with internal flanges that firmly hold the blades in the screwdriver. What's more, the shafts are heat-treated, which makes them a durable unit, capable of withstanding the general wear and tear of heavy usage. Made with high-quality material, the shaft and blades are also immune to corrosion, so even after some time without use, your screwdrivers will still be as good as ever. Additionally, the blade tips are honed to perfection, and due to this, they are the right fit for every slot. So, if you are someone who isn't particularly experienced when handling jobs that require screwdrivers, this is a great choice for you. Nevertheless, thanks to the labeled ends, you can keep track of what tool you're using, even if you can't identify it by sight. Klein Tools is undoubtedly a top contender when purchasing a screwdriver set. For more tools to add to your collection, check out our reviews of the best breaker bars. The 3rd product on our list is the Wera Kraftform Plus 334 6th Screwdriver Set. With the Wera Kraftform Plus 334 6th Screwdriver Set, you're always in good hands. The expertly crafted set of 6 screwdrivers delivers on any task you set it to, and with its durable build, you are set to use it for a long time. The design is sleek and sharp, which isn't something you would usually say about a screwdriver, but that happens to be the case here. With 3 slotted and 3 Phillips screwdrivers, you have a decent selection of tools to use for a varying amount of jobs. It comes with an innovative rack that makes storage of the devices after use very straightforward, and retrieving a screwdriver when the need arises is a no-brainer. As for the quality of the construction, it is top-notch. The handle is made from a combination of hard-wearing plastic and rubber, and the grip is solid and soft to the touch and fits into your hand perfectly. A lot of thought went into the construction of the Wera Kraftform, with the idea behind it to reduce the stress of using the screwdriver. The soft handle helps prevent blisters and calluses, and the soft areas of the handle minimize friction, drastically making for a painless experience when using this screwdriver set. There are also markings at the bottom of each screwdriver that alerts you to the size of the tool to reduce confusion when using it. What's more, It also features a non-roll attribute with a hexagonal construction, preventing your screwdriver from rolling off a table, leading to loss or potential accidents in the workplace. Safe, easy to use, and durable, the Wera Kraftform screwdrivers are an excellent option for those looking for a versatile and comfortable screwdriver set. You may also be interested in some of the handy card tools from our list. Check them out. Second on our list is the Craftsman CMHT65075 Screwdriver Set. Split evenly between slotted and Phillips screwdrivers, 4 of each, the Craftsman Screwdriver Set makes our list of recommendations for potential buyers. The tools are uniquely crafted always to deliver high-quality output. Each screwdriver is equipped with a black oxide tip that excels in the area of durability, and even after multiple uses, the integrity of the tip fitment. It slides in and holds its position, allowing you to work with little to no hassle. What's more, the grip is comfortable to hold, and the handling is excellent, making tasks smooth operations that require no undue physical endeavor. Additionally, the handle sports a speed zone that is pretty handy for quick rotations, which in turn helps shave time off work. There is also an excellent torque zone that provides added grip texture for when you need to apply considerable torque to the task at hand. With 8 pieces included within, you have a myriad of tools to carry out most tasks that you encounter. Added to all this is a competent precision tactile zone that controls rotation and is very useful when dealing with jobs that require precision. The Craftsman Screwdriver Set also comes with a lifetime warranty that makes it a long-time companion that sticks through thick and thin, with world-class customer support and a knack for always getting the job done. This is a screwdriver set that is worth considering when next you go shopping. Finally, the top product on our list is the Stanley 62511 9-way screwdriver set. First one on this list is the 62511 9-way screwdriver set from Stanley, which is a very popular brand when it comes to hand and storage tools. It is interesting to know that the brand already has produced millions of saws, rulers, chisels, and hand planes. Now, the brand also boasts its screwdriver set that ultimately helps in reducing the number of tools a user may need to carry. With the Stanley 62511 9-way screwdriver set, you will be able to maximize versatility through its interchangeable bars. In addition, it has a complete set, as it already includes 3 Phillips bars, 3 slotted bars, a tack lifter, a bradawl, and a hook driver. You also would not need to worry about misplacing a screwdriver because of the storage case included with every purchase of the Stanley 62511 9-way screwdriver set. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.